Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2016 Mini Cooper Diesel Convertible. Now this is finished in the melting silver metallic paintwork and is sat on the 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. This car's just got over £4,000 worth of factory options when it was new and has the must-have chili pack. So let's take a look at the car. So melting silver is a lovely colour. It's like a very, very light grey metallic, I would call it. More grey than silver, obviously, but that's what Mini called it. Very nice on the paintwork. Lovely front gloss black front grille. As I say, the wheels are the 17-inch multi-spoke wheel. Very nice wheel indeed, those. They set off the car really, really nicely. Now the vehicle itself is only 2 owners from new, and has been part exchanged in for a newer version, and so the vehicle, whilst the last keepers had it, they bought it just on 1 year old, and they've had it since 1 year old, so that would be 17, so they've had it 5 years. The paintwork is in lovely condition all the way around, high gloss finish, and all the wheels are all in super condition. Now this car has the reversing camera and it also has parking sensors to the rear. I've left the hood up, I'll put it down in the video as well, but the hood is in fantastic order. Everybody always asks me when I do videos with the hood down, can I have a look at the hood? And the hood is in super condition. It's a mohair hood, so that's a natural occurring material, so it doesn't crack. It's very good material. Looking down the driver's side as well, that's in lovely order. We've got the option on the exterior of the colour-coded mirror caps as well. Now I've listed all the options on the car on the advert, so very nice. That's how we know it's got over 4 grand's worth of bits, because we've checked it on HPI, and that has then everything that was ordered new on the car is on there. Now a chili pack basically internally gets the half leather sports seats. As you can see, lovely sports seats. We get a leather trim steering wheel that's got cruise control and speed limiter on it. 43,204 miles as I do this video. We then get the excitement package, so this little button here, if you look on the clocks there, I can change the colours of it, so go-kart mode, sport mode, and so yeah, that's all good. Chili pack is digital climate control and air conditioning. We have satellite navigation as an option on here, so when you look on this paddle here on your pictures and you're looking at cars, make sure it's got the options you want it to have to buy. So then we get satellite navigation on this. Now if I press this little button here, you'll see that the roof will start to open. You can have it open as a front, and then if we press it all the way, it opens electronically and the roof drops down. Now as I say, we've got part of the chili pack is automatic wipers, onboard computer, automatic headlamps, front spot lamps, digital climate control air conditioning. When I select reverse, we've got reversing camera and parking sensors. Now if you have a look at the service documentation, you'll see that it's serviced every year by the last keepers had it. Now this particular one has the grey detail. All the seats are in wonderful condition. They are very nice, the sports seats in this car. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper was not a smoker either. Back of the seats are very nice. You can put 4 adults in there, or 3 of your friends with yourself. The roof's off there now, but just look at that. What a lovely convertible car. It's a diesel, so it'll do, you know, well over 60 miles to the gallon. It's a 16 plate car, so it's the low road tax. So if my memory serves me right, I think it's £20 a year to tax it. So when you think of cost of living and running a motor car, 60 miles to the gallon, £20 a year road tax, you could take the roof off as well. It's a pretty good prospect, isn't it? Decker rings on the headlamps as well. But what a lovely car. We've got 2 keys. It'll go through our workshops and be prepared to the highest standard. Remove the wheels, we'll detail them all. So it's absolutely perfect when you come to view it. Now if you want to drive away in the same day, give us a call and we'll discuss with you how we do that. Have a look at our socials, have a look on our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You'll see customers from all over the UK collecting cars from us. We prepare them to the high standard. Everything's guaranteed, it's all HPI clear. If it needs servicing or MOT, that will also be carried out. I'm Graham, we've got Dom and we've got Lee in sales, and we'll be happy to help you in any way we can. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and look forward to your inquiry.